Let's do the last one.
You hear a man talking on the radio.
As a result of heavy snow, there has been major disruption to rail services this morning. A number of breakdowns have been reported in the west, with people stranded on some trains. In this region, blizzard conditions are making driving conditions hazardous. A severely restricted train service will be operating within the next few hours into the capital, and delays are expected on all lines in the south of the country. In the north, there is some snow, but services have been able to continue with only a few cancellations reported.
In this one, I'm putting all the answers together because it's going to help me explain it better. B, incorrect. If you have chosen B, it's because of the terminology related to weather forecast. For example, heavy snow, blizzard conditions, snow again here. But if the information he was giving was about the weather forecast, he would only be talking about the weather. Maybe he would make reference a bit about the driving conditions, but that's it. More terminology would be included. If you have chosen C, an accident report, it is because incorrectly you have supposed that there was an accident due to the bad weather and it has created traffic. However, there are keywords in order to not make this mistake, because it says here rail services, trains, train service, and also with only a few cancellations reported. And this vocabulary is making reference to the correct one, a travel announcement. What he is actually telling us is that due to bad weather, there have been problems in the train service. There are many keywords related to it: disruption, breakdown, people stranded. The train service will be operating. Delays are expected on all lines. Services, a few cancellations. This is why A is correct. Hope I've helped you understand the reasoning behind this exercise. So, we have to learn to identify their tricks in order to do it correctly. Once we acquire this knowledge, it's the moment to challenge ourselves, listening to the first recording without the multiple choice, and the second recording with it. It may seem a bit more complicated at the beginning, but as I always say, is theory important? Of course it is, but practice is essential in order to make all the mistakes while practicing, so we don't make them during the exam. Bye bye.